The first thing you'd like to do is open iMovie, then go to the Project tab and select Create New. In this case, we're creating a new movie. If you go under Project Media, you'll see a downward facing arrow, and this is where you can import media. I'm going to shift and select all of my video clips and select Import Selected. All of my video clips now end up in what's called my media gallery. My media gallery is on the top, and this is where my media clips, audio and video, will be stored. My timeline is on the bottom, and that's where I complete all of my editing. What you see me doing now is scrubbing through my video clips. That means I'm choosing an in and an out point, and I'm dragging them into my timeline. I'm going to zoom in and out of my timeline as I work so that I can see all of my clips in one line. I find this a faster way to work. At this point in time, I'm going to put this clip on top of the clip below it because I'm going to eventually make a split screen. It's important to note that when you put a clip on top of another clip, be it text or video, whatever's on top takes dominance. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to adjust the clip speed of all of my clips. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open the speed editor. And when I do this, a little bunny shows up to show that I'm editing the speed and a bar at the top. When I'm done adjusting the speed, I hide the speed editor. Now with my clip selected, I'll be able to go up to the top where it says cutaway and I can choose split screen. And notice I'd prefer it top to bottom, but you can rotate that left, right, top, or bottom, however you like. I'm going to go back to import media and I'm going to choose my sound now. A sound clip shows up in my media gallery and I can drag it down into the timeline. In this case, I'm going to drag from the end just to make my sound a little bit longer than my video clips. And if you hover over the sound, you see what I've just done. I'm actually lowering the volume and now I'm fading out. It's all done by visual cues. Finally, I'm going to go into the Transition tab and I'm going to add a simple cross dissolve, meaning that my clips will cross dissolve between each other. I need some titles, so I'm going to add 3 titles now. And you have a variety to choose from. You can drag the title out as long as you like. I'm going to cover most of my clips with this one title. I just double click and type into the area. I'm going to choose a different title to credit the sound. Double click to edit. And finally, a closing credit. If you wanted to record audio in your film, you would go to Window, Record Voiceover. And to share your final project, you go to File, Share, and I choose File. File, Share, File. This makes an MP4 file. Name it. Decide where you'll save it. And watch it render in the top right. Now you can quit iMovie. It saves your projects automatically and it gives you an option to rename them. They'll be found under your project tab.